Hey, Sammy, what are you cooking there, mate?
Chinese.
Oh, it smells great upstairs. This won't just come down.
I did everything myself.
What have we got here? This is looking good. What have you got in there?
I've got beans, bean pods.
Yeah.
Got noodles, of course.
Yeah.
Bacon. Onions, spring onions.
Yep.
Garlic. Spice powder. Champignons. Soy sauce.
Yeah.
Sesame oil.
Where'd you learn all this off?
Off my father.
Not from Jamie, the man?
No, not Jamie.
Okay. What about Ken Hom?
Ken Hom, no.
Ken Hom taught me.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ken Hom taught me all those years ago. He's doing a great job, Sammy, huh? Good. I'm really looking forward to doing this starting. Haven't eaten in 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, right.